this is the final touch up of everything, and then after this I'm going to test, make sure everything is working. We're gonna test the hot water, we're gonna test all the electrical outlets and all the plugs. And this one is the original handle. I'm gonna put it back just this side because I have two handles on this side. One is the lower one here, and this one is the low one. I added that just for more convenience. And this one is the factory one, which is it helps when you try to get off the van. The lower one, it helps when you try to get on the van. So yeah, it's not that bad. They have two kinds of the factory one, the longer and bulky one, and this is the kind of low profile one, so it's okay to put this one back. It helps.
All you can eat.
Oh, you can eat Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
For this cleaning, huh?
On video.
We are done with all the touch up and the wipe off everything, all clean, all vacuum, everything is clean. Now it's time to test our water system, make sure there's no leaks and hot water is working. So let's go ahead and fill up some water. As always, this thing comes handy. It's a 3-foot extension. It's nothing special, so that we can connect our water hose out here instead of straight into here, because it is always spill on the floor. So this thing comes in handy. Okay, now our connection is out here, outside the van. Now if you have the water filter, you can always connect it right here as well, or either here or this side, still works the same. Up to a quarter tank. You can see our gauge is working. We got a quarter of a tank of water. Good for now. It's connected. You can see whatever the leftover water in here, it always spill. Okay, so now we are going to turn on our water pump. To turn that on, we have to let's go ahead, leave the cold side, open up the cold side so that there's air and coming through, and it gets all the air out from our system. And water pump. Should get our water coming soon. There we go. Alright. And our shower water is also there. Now once we get our water to once our water is fully running, we go ahead, turn it off, and then we listen. If there's a leak somewhere in the system, the pump will keep on going. So okay, sounds good. And let's check for any leak, just in case, right? If far so good, I don't see anything. All dried. That's pretty good pressure. Now it's time to turn on the hot water. Alright, you guys, you can see our hot water is instantly, oh, it's super hot. It's super hot water. Good, we are good to go. Everything is working, everybody. So we are good to go. Wipe down a little bit more and then we are good for the van tour. So thank you so much. I will see you at the van tour in the next video. This is Bo. Bye.